Welcome everybody, welcome for a nice session today. We are gonna be analyzing what is happening regarding Bitcoin. Of course, the weekly close. As you see, things are not looking that great with the bears engulfing. Okay, this is what we are watching in the weekly candlestick right here. So we are going to be analyzing what is going to happen today. We are going to be analyzing Bitcoin price on the short and long time frames. Of course, if you guys want me to analyze something more, you can just write it down. We are going to be also saying and maybe going through Ethereum. If you guys are interested, just let me know this in the comment. And thank you so much for being here today. We are going to be watching the whole week what happened. We are going to be analyzing what price targets and where we are expecting this closing of the week. Of course, we are going to be analyzing CPRs. As you can see, as far as you can see right here, we have a very nice weekly support and resistance line. We found exactly this resistance line as far as you can see right here. Okay, so this is going to be a worry about everyone, so we are going to be going through this. Of course, please, if you have any comments, just let them down, and we are going to be analyzing, of course, even more everything that you guys are thinking, and also the analysis that we are also planning to give you. So we are going back to the chart, guys. We are going to be watching right here. As you can see, the exponential moving averages, we have bounced exactly over the 50 weekly, okay, right here. As far as you can see, it was an insane week, coming touching exactly 21 exponential moving average on Bitcoin price. As far as you can see, guys, this is my concern. This is my main concern on the 50 weekly exponential moving average. This is what I'm watching. So this resistance, the support line, what I'm watching right here, this is what I'm watching like a hawk right here, guys, because the most insane support is gonna be over that one, and this is something that pretty much worries in case we are not going to see this rebounding all the way down. So that's the whole problem right here. So if we go right here to the daily chart, taking out a little bit the logarithmic chart, as far as you can see right here, we are watching that this broke all the way down, okay. So I'm gonna be also changing the chart so we can see a little bit better what is happening right here. This is the whole plan that I made, and of course what we are watching, one moment please, yes, is exactly what I told you guys, okay. So my last live session, I have been speaking about, I was creating those green and red areas, okay. So this is the whole thing. This is what you should watch right now, okay. Those two areas. Why, guys? Because this is the consolidation in between two areas. So this is the downtrend, okay. We are gonna be also watching right here what is happening in the shorter time frames. What about the daily? The daily, we should see perfectly that is confirming once and then twice right here over the red area. The red area was designed actually before this candlestick has been created right here, as far as you can see. So it bounced over exactly my red area, as far as you can see right here, hold it very nicely, and now we are rebounding over here. So going to the shorter time frames right here, you can see, guys, that we start confirming in a way for once more the red area. As far as you can see, this line, okay, this area is something that I'm watching perfectly in case we are coming to touch once more. So this is something that doesn't really worry me, but we have some issues right here, okay. Let's say that this kind of retrace, okay, this kind of breakdown has been paid out for the short positions, okay. So let's say that this happened. So what is the next step right now? What are we watching, okay? So if you go back right here, okay, so if we are gonna be watching the daily chart, okay, if I'm going all the way down, this is what happened, okay, on the daily chart. So as you can see, after we collapsed right here, it has been no retrace, okay, no blow off top. So we came to consolidate on the downside right here, okay. And let's say that this was an accumulation, the week of accumulation phase. This is what we kind of are watching on the shorter time frames right here. So as far as you can see, we are pretty much building the kind of same pattern. The thing is, where are we right now, okay? So as far as you can see right here, guys, okay, we have a kind of resistance line coming, pressing on the upper side right here, okay. This is the resistance line that is coming to press right here. We broke this to the upper side, but where this thing can take us, okay. So if you are going to be watching right here, we have a W pattern that breaking to the upper side and confirming the neckline, as far as you can see on the hourly time frame. So this is something that is not paid yet, okay. So if we're supposing that this one should be paid, okay, this should be getting attached directly to the upper side, okay. So we see, guys, right here that this is coming exactly, okay, for once more to test, in case we are reaching up there, the resistance point. So this resistance point, it's something I am watching right now. I am in an 8,000 long position. Why, guys? I want to explain to you some things regarding to what I am trading. Okay, I am swing trader. So what I'm doing, okay, it's perfectly to find the best place for a swing trade. So a position of strength for me is between those areas. So if we break to the downside, okay, and we are coming to test the 42,000, something that I don't think is going to happen, okay, that's what I'm watching. When everyone is expecting that the price would go most likely to test a line like this, okay, it's something that pays perfectly the shorts, and that's not something I am expecting right now. Okay, since most of the orders, the buy orders, are in approximately, the huge wave is coming during those areas. This means that since there is no selling pressure right now, because there is no selling pressure, so the only one that is technically shorting is just a few shorters. Okay, it's not something crazy right now. We have many long positions going through. Okay, so what I'm expecting is that we should see a kind of, okay, break to the upper side, but not technically reaching to the top. Okay, so because if we are going, let's say, to check the week of, okay, the week of accumulation phase, I'm gonna be bringing this one to your chart right here, so to your screen, so you can see what, guys, I'm talking about. Okay, I believe technically that we are in a kind of, okay, as far as you can see right here, I'm gonna be showing you perfectly what I'm thinking, so you can also understand my whole point. Okay, so I'm gonna be bringing this in your screen right here. So guys, as far as you can see right here, this is the whole thing and what I'm expecting. So I believe that we came for first time. Okay, we came for first time, and we have been testing the phase A. Now we are in the phase B, where we have been breaking to the ST in a phase B. Okay, and now we are coming at this point. So we are approximately right here, and we are gonna be coming most likely to expect a kind of upside momentum, but we need one more time. Okay, we need one more time, the phase C, so we can kind of maybe liquidate some of the longs, and also giving another chance for those that they are planning to buy, most likely the whales, because people will get very afraid after this downtrend. Okay, right here, and this is where all the whales are coming to buy the bitcoins of those who sold. Okay, so this is the last wave I'm expecting right now, right here, and also the fact that this upside momentum is going to come afterwards, like happened some a month ago, okay, some weeks ago. So what, that's what I'm thinking right now. So we have been like passing the phase A, that it was approximately here. Now we are in the phase B. So I am expecting an upside, okay, to approximately this green line. We could easily come and test this green line right here. I'm gonna extend this line so you can see even further. Okay, so this is approximately 47,600. Maybe we'll not even reach right here, but if we are gonna be reaching, please check the 48,500 right here is a crucial level. You should be careful regarding this green area, because for the whole community to believe that we, oh guys, we are very bullish and we are going to break these things, guys, nothing technically happened yet. Okay, so the thing I mentioned also in my huge video session about the Bitcoin price, that I'm not bullish until we break this green upper side line. So this is the whole thing. If we are coming to break everything right like this, we should see volume coming in the market, something we don't have right now. Okay, I'm gonna be explaining even further okay, what I'm expecting right now. But guys, please be cautious. This is a range territory. If you are not able to trade right now, okay, in a range territory, you are not going to be able to trade anything else, because guys, we are in a range. Range is technically the easiest way, okay, and the most direct way to trade. So this means we just go up and down right here. Technically we just go up and down. We are going to be also analyzing further on and more details coming in, okay. What we are watching the whole way right here is that we broke all the way to the downside, okay, and this was something no one was expecting. I was expecting it because we saw many bearish divergence, but not at this point. I was expecting this earlier. So that's why the market is sometimes unpredictable. I'm not saying that everything is going how we are thinking, but guys, the whole thing is that you are talking about XRP and all the stuff, that price haven't been reached and all of this. It's perfectly normal, okay, if the market retraces. Nothing shows yet that we are going for a bear market. There are some things, but technically, okay, in the day chart, as far as you can see right here, we are in a range territory. I mentioned this so many times, okay. We are in a range territory, and guys, as far as you can see, we broke this to the upper side. That's very bullish, but we should also see some support lines holding right here, and especially the 50 weekly exponential moving average, as I explained before, okay. So please be cautious for what you are watching, what you are expecting, and please try to trade, it's not a financial advice, the range territories, because it's the best way to trade as a trader. You can make a lot of money, but please take profits, because if you are not taking profits, technically you are going to be you are going to be failing trading the range territory. That's the main issue, okay. So please, if you are trying to become professional traders, you haven't joined the academy yet. I'm explaining many things as my job as an instructor inside the academy, okay. If you are not joining the academy yet, please try to trade, and meanwhile try to find the less volatile areas to trade. If you will trade inside volatility and you FOMO into the market, the most likely is that you are going to be failing massively, and the market will suck your money all the time. They will be taking your money. So it's better if you guys are going to a casino place or something like that, because technically trading should be either technicals or very nice fundamentals that you know how to use. If you don't know how to use these things, stay far away from the market, because this is not going to help you out, okay. So please learn the markets before you are going to a situation like this. It's not going to help you out, and it's not going to help your families or anyone by you throwing your market inside if you don't know how to invest or don't know how to trade.
We don't really know where we're going, but we still wanna see what's standing. So you're gonna treat me right.
So let's go back. Okay, let's go back to the chart to see what is happening right here, guys. As far as you can see, we said them before that we are consolidating this kind of W phase right here. Okay, range territory. We have the green and the red zone. We have been actually holding perfectly as far as you can see on the 1 hour chart. Okay, what I'm expecting right now is most likely a kind of accumulation right here, and of course a pump to the upside 47,200. This is my target right now. I have an open trade right here. I'm going to be showing you later on. As far as you can see on the Bitcoin perpetual wallet, we are right here, guys. Okay, What I'm expecting is, as far as I told you, a break to the upper side. We're going to be measuring as well, okay, what is happening to the chart. As far as you can see, I'm going to be taking out my fibs right here, okay. As far as I see, we are holding under the 0.618, and this is of course very crucial. We have to break to the upper side so we can trade this kind of range territory. As far as I am explaining, okay, I am a swing trader, so what I'm expecting is that the most likely scenario to happen is touching the 42,800. This is the level I'm watching. So why that? Everyone says that we are going down to 38,000, between 38,000 and 42,000. So this is the territory that everyone is watching right now. Crazy buy orders down there, okay. And the most likely scenario is that this will not happen, guys, okay. This will not happen for many reasons. First of all, when everyone is expecting the price to dump somewhere or go up there, it's never reaching. So it's just one case that some people say that we are going to be reaching the 42,800, okay. So that's a level to watch. This is me, I'm saying that the 42,800 is gonna happen with a candlestick not closing but just touching the wick like that one, okay, on the 1 hour chart, those 4 hour chart, I don't know yet, but I'm not expecting further dump after this. And why I'm saying that one, okay, why I'm saying that one, guys, the money flow is going in the correct direction to the daily time frame. And this is something you should realize. If you are expecting and investing in a market that you believe that it goes up, you have to be based on some facts. So what I'm saying right now is that this has been a very nice correction, because every market has corrections, okay. And it's a decent fact that we came to touch these kind of levels. It's not an insane price target that we didn't expect. I told you that it's looking bearish, we are going all the way up, and the market needs to breathe, okay. So within like 4 or 5 days, and between those 5 days and 2 weeks, we are going to have the result that we are expecting. The market will not range forever, okay. So the market will come and show us the correct direction. So you should be cautious of where's the price action going. So after you see price action going to the upper or the downside, okay, you should think, okay, that everything in the whole like market structure, it's showing the direction where it should go, okay. So if you have higher highs, that's a bullish thing. If you have lower lows, that's a bearish thing. So that's where we should stand by, okay. So right now we had higher highs. This is still, okay, a higher low. This is a higher low compared to that one. So we are in a good direction. This has been a corrective wave. That shows very nice. We can dump a little bit further, but it's not the end of the world. The point is, as a trader and a swing trader, you should take care of your liquidation price, and you should dollar cost average your entries if you're planning to go even further to a very nice entry to the upper side. So that's why I'm cautious about. I'm trying to grab all the lowest positions, so I dollar cost entry my plan, since I believe that we are going up. So why I'm saying that, okay. So as far as you can see, money flow, okay, on the 12-hour chart, it's creating, okay, a kind of waves that we are pretty much expecting, like We had the red wave here. We want to see a smaller red wave coming, and this is not going to last, as far as I see right here. It's not going to last more than 18 days. So you should be careful regarding that, because after this 18 days, we are going to be start watching this price action going to the upper side. This is the most likely scenario to happen. Okay, everything can happen, but this is showing a very nice direction to the upper side. I'm not saying that we don't have any chances to dump even further. No, I'm not saying that one. I'm just saying that as far as I see, the money flow goes in a correct direction. Not that goes exactly with the way I was expecting, okay? But it shows that we are in a range territory, and the market needs to breathe so it can decide where we are going. As far as I see the 4-hour chart, it's showing consolidation. I don't know if we can go even down from here, okay, but we should hold this support line. As far as we broke it, as far as I see, we broke it to the upper side, so it's showing very nicely right here, but we should hold it if we want this W pattern to play out and reach our price target to the 47,200. This is something I am watching, but of course I'm going to be taking profits earlier in case I am trading on a scalp, or like a kind of small swing trade right here. I don't know how much it's going to last. Most likely we are going to be watching this play out until tomorrow morning. If you are citizens of Europe or Asia, you should see this breaking within the night or early in the morning. We should see a kind of price action. Otherwise, approximately 10 o'clock UTC time, you should see something like this playing out, I think so, for tomorrow. Okay, so it's looking pretty healthy. Okay, it's looking very healthy, and as far as I can see, there are also some kind of inverse head and shoulder patterns. In case this plays out, it can take us to the green area, but this is not sure about what I see right here. No, this is not an inverse head and shoulder pattern, since the left shoulder is higher. It's actually bigger than the head, so no, it's not what I'm expecting. And as far as I can see, we have another kind of inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. Let's connect the sides so we see if this can play out as well. Yes, this is already broken, and the price target right here, we want to also expect this breaking to the upper side. It happened already, so if this confirms, it's coming again to the green area. As far as I see right here, I'm gonna be taking profits earlier for once more. Okay, let's take some time to breathe a little bit, drink something. We are here for a live session, guys. If you have any questions, we are gonna be solving everything, I believe, later on. I see some questions about XRP, and yes, we are gonna be going through this. We are gonna be explaining as far as I see. We are gonna be also checking out a little bit XRP. No worries. Buggy here, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here tonight. Please like this button. It costs you nothing from your time, just a click away from making the algorithm working for us, guys. It's not something crazy, just a like. We don't ask you for money, we don't ask you for anything. Just go smash this like button, cost you really nothing. Thank you so much for being here. We are going to be analyzing also Ethereum. It's going to be in a very interesting session. As far as you can see right here, guys, perfect support to this line, okay, on the other side. And as far as I can see, a massive breakout should come for the Ethereum, but not now, okay. It's not gonna happen very soon. We are going to have most likely a consolidation area, okay. So it's not bad, it's very healthy for the market. We have been pumping very nicely, pretty much similar to what happened to Bitcoin, and sometimes Ethereum is going further, a little bit faster, I would say, than Bitcoin, and it's showing us the direction. Okay, so as far as I see right here, guys, we most likely going to see maybe some small dams. Okay, I wouldn't say that I'm so sure about it, but what I would say is that this shouldn't be something dangerous. What I see, as far as I see right here, okay, I'm gonna be measuring the time, and this is like approximately a month, okay, until we see Ethereum breaking to the upper side. So what happened right here is technically healthy, okay. If this is going to break all the way down under the support line, this is not gonna look bullish at all. You have to be cautious of this line, okay. So why I'm saying this, I'm gonna be explaining. If this is going to break on the downside, this was a beautiful, okay, blow off top, and this is going to collapse by creating a double top right here. This is the worst case scenario. We are coming right here, we are testing the psychological resistance, as far as you can see, and this is something that technically it's very possible. So what you also should see right here is the fact that this one looks like a very nice correction. We should hold this line. If this line goes to break down, everything will vanish very soon, okay. So why that is what I'm watching in the chart, okay. It's not something that I'm saying because I believe is what the charts are saying. How am I testing that one? It's as far as I see this daily support holding on the RSI. If this daily support will break to the downside and confirms, I'm sorry guys, but things are looking technically worse than ever. So we should consolidate inside this triangle, okay. And before we are reaching the 16th of October to 18th, okay, we should see a kind of breakout to the upper side, and November should be the most bullish month ever for the Ethereum price, okay. That's what I'm saying. Please think very nicely that this line should hold like crazy, okay. So this line should hold perfectly, okay. So what I'm gonna be also showing right here is that this has been very bullish, okay. So we are watching a kind of double bottom, okay, on the other side, and we are most likely ready to take off after we are consolidating in this kind of areas, and I explained before. As far as you can see right here, we are gonna be we are resisting with Ethereum price to this line right here. We have been breaking to the upper side, okay. We have been breaking to the upper side of this resistance line perfectly, okay. This is very bullish, but this could reverse as well. We should see kind of consolidation to the downside, but we don't want to see this breaking further under the 2800. I don't expect something like this right now. It seems like for tomorrow we are going to have a kind of maybe kind of a pump tomorrow, or like from tonight, and like within some hours we should see some price action to the upper side. Okay, and as far as I see right here, we have been breaking this W pattern. Let's see if this paid out as it should. We broke the neckline right here. We have a smaller W, so this shouldn't be the reason why we broke. So this small W is the reason to trade. Okay, so this is paid out perfectly to the dollar. Maybe we'll see like a kind of a price going to down to 3,340 back again, but this is a nice kind of small bull flag could play out as well. Yes, it's like a bull pennant right here, but also like the 3,500 should be the resistance point we should see for once more. Let's take now the swing high to the swing low to check what is happening right here inside this area. We are very nicely, we have been breaking the golden ratio, okay, the 61.8. so this is very nice. We should see maybe this breaking to the 3,562. If you guys are interested and you believe, okay, that you could trade that one, then this would be a possible scenario in case you are searching for entries for swing trades. Maybe this is a lifetime opportunity. I would say that's not a financial advice, but guys, be cautious that this could take us all the way down, what I told you. So be careful that you're not getting liquidated. Okay, that's all about the Ethereum price as far as I see. This is like a kind of update. We're gonna be also watching the XRP because we have like many questions right there, and of course I'm gonna be explaining a little bit. The whole market pretty much reacts the same. We are gonna be watching the XRP also to pretty much understand what happened, why, for example, we have like some breakdowns and all of this. Everything is getting pretty much reacted regarding the Bitcoin price, and it's very logic since all the balances are based on the Bitcoin price in every exchange, guys, as far as you know. And of course we are going to be watching also XRP to see what is happening right there. Okay, and what also how this could also play out, so we have a very nice result for the XRP and reaching our price targets as we said before.
How do you feel when you wake up in the morning and you look outside your window and it's raining? in the morning and you look outside the window and it's raining again. Raining again. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning and you look outside the window and it's raining again? Raining again. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning and you look outside your window and it's raining again? Raining again. Wake up in the morning and you look outside your window and it's raining again. Raining again. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning and you look outside the window and it's raining again? Raining again. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning and you look outside the window and it's raining again? Raining again. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning and you look outside your window and it's raining again? Raining again. Raining again.
So about the XRP, guys, we are gonna be explaining what is happening right here, right now. Okay, about XRP price. As far as I see, guys, we are looking extremely bullish. We're holding very nice resistance points right here, very nice support lines right here. Okay, guys, what I've been watching regarding the XRP price is that my price targets here are literally matter of time to be reached. So I wouldn't say that, oh my god, we turn like bearish on XRP, or the fact that you should like start getting inside right now for long trades. I'm not saying that one. Okay, so please just stay cautious regarding to what is happening. Okay, right now your price action is showing that this could be a bearish pennant that can take you all the way down to 0.81, but I don't think so. Okay, so if we are going to fall down once more, it's gonna be to approximately 0.98 right here, but my price targets are not yet to come, but they will. XRP right now is massively undervalued. Okay, so this kind of cup and holder formation failed right here. This was a fake out. I said that we should see like a daily close so we can believe that we are going all the way up, but this didn't happen. This doesn't mean that this is not going to continue going all the way up. This is looking very nice. I hope that we are not like confirming any kind of price action to the downside, but I am still bullish. We might gonna see kind of a red wave for the money flow coming in once more. This doesn't mean we are going to collapse, okay? That's what I'm saying right now and what you should watch, okay? Because many of you are expecting and you have been saying that, oh my god, we have been reaching this price that you have been mentioned. I didn't say we are gonna be reaching this price target exactly at the same time where I mentioned I'm still right here. I'm very bullish. I am going to trade this when the time comes for the 1.64. okay, this is gonna happen in my opinion. I'm not 100% sure. I see what the chart says. The chart is looking very bullish. Why? This is going to happen, okay, before October comes. Before October comes, we should break this line right here. We should see some further price action to the upper side, okay, and I'm going to be trading this with a very nice swing trade as far as I did also in the past. I stayed bullish. So what I did, guys, it was that I'm always closing my trades after I see that Bitcoin is going to collapse for the one or the other way, and every time the Bitcoin price is technically breaking the levels that I don't want to see breaking, I'm closing everything because I know that everything will be 98% going to the direction of Bitcoin and of course to the downside, okay? Please guys, be cautious because XRP technically is getting very much manipulated, and it's also going to be pulled down after Bitcoin price is pulling down. So you should hold this in your mind. If you believe that Bitcoin is collapsing and XRP goes up, this is a chance of 2%, guys. Technically, that's what is happening. In crypto world, if you haven't realized yet that you should follow the Bitcoin price and then all the other prices, I don't know what to say. It worked always like this, okay? There are some projects, of course, that they don't follow the Bitcoin price, but those are 2%. So this 2% is not like a big chance. So eventually Bitcoin price either will pull down everything, okay, when it's going to like find a kind of correction. But in general, guys, you should understand that in case we are not going to dump the rest of the coins together with a Bitcoin price, this is a chance of 2% technically, okay? So of course if I'm leverage trading, I'm gonna be closing all my positions after I see Bitcoin breaking major levels. I mean, come on, it's something you should know. It's something that if you are a margin trader, you should know. So in case of the XRP right here, guys, we know very well. Look at this, okay? This is looking very bullish. We have been breaking this and coming to confirm, okay, this kind of like this resistance line has been broken right here, and we are coming to confirm it for once more. That's very bullish, guys, okay? So if we are coming even down to the 0.85 as I mentioned before, still this kind of scenario, the upside scenario is still playing out. And after this plays out, I'm going to be also explaining the fact that I would also like to see further price action after we break this swing high right here, because this is not the all-time high. So the 2.9, it's going to come after we break these kind of levels, okay? So I am extremely bullish on XRP. It's going to happen. It's a coin that many people have been expecting, and it has massive adoption for many people. Many people are still investing on XRP. They believe on XRP. and it has very nice also fundamental statistics that they could take us up there. Okay, so if you are watching XRP, I'm saying to you, if you want to be bearish, then we should break support lines, basic support lines. We should see this breaking under here, okay, under this line, and then yes guys, we should go to the bearish side, but we are not there yet. I'm not saying we are in bull market. I'm saying that this scenario still playing is a kind of consolidation, is a kind of a range area that we can easily trade. Okay, I'm also going to be trading swing. I'm going to be searching for those two levels at first. That's all I'm saying. Okay, stay tuned. We are also going to be watching a little bit back Bitcoin price, what we should expect for the night in the weekly close. Okay, so stay with us. We are going to be going back for a while to the Bitcoin price, explaining so we can reach also these very nice entries I was explaining before, most likely to happen until tomorrow. Okay, so stay with us and see you soon.
Summer days passing by my Summer days passing by my love. Eternal summer sweat I'm dripping off. Sunlit, sunburned, sunny nights forever. Open your mind, baby. 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 Open up your mind. Open up your mind. Open up your mind. Open up your mind. Summer days passing by my love. Eternal summer's what I'm dreaming of. Sunlit, sun-drenched, sunny nights forever. Dreary days coming upon. I'm feeling this is what I'm running away from. Sunlit, sun-drenched, sunny nights forever.
Okay, welcome back. We are going to be analyzing a little bit on the short time frames Bitcoin price, guys. About XRP, I have some questions as well. So guys, please, I spoke about XRP. Okay, I did what you asked me. I mentioned also my long-term price target. Okay, so please, like, just go back to the video, you can see everything right there. So as far as I see on Bitcoin price, I've been moving one of my orders on my like small swing trade. As far as you saw, I'm gonna be reaching approximately $10,000 on long position trading. So that's what I did. I moved one of my orders down here. Why? Because this is looking very nicely like a bull flag right here. I see that we can easily go down to the 45,600, 550. 45,000 45,600 right here, 45,550. This is the levels I'm watching, so I can enter one more small position, $1,500, so I can have a very nice swing trade. So I can trade this one after it breaks on the upper side. Okay, so I'm gonna be watching, as I explained to you before, the 47,187, and then of course my next price target to the approximately 47,195. This is what I'm watching right here, and this would be the most like scenario to break for Bitcoin until tomorrow, tomorrow morning. So a morning time, European time. Okay, so guys, please like this button. I think it costs you nothing, just click this button. Is the only thing I'm asking for. Thank you so much, of course, that you are with us tonight, and you are watching this very nice session. I believe that I give some answers regarding to what are your worries regarding this market structure right now, regarding the Bitcoin and all the cryptos. I've been watching that, of course, the Bitcoin dominance is falling like crazy, as I like checked before. For a while, it's about to reach my price targets to approximately 39. Okay, on the Bitcoin dominant chart. I'm not gonna be going back there. So this is a bearish engulfing, as far as you can see right here on the day chart, and this followed this price action in a range territory, and this is very bullish. Okay, this is bullish because we are holding very nicely. We haven't seen like a dump, then like blow off top and all the way down. The bad thing though is that the weekly chart has also bearish engulfing and is going to close that way. This is not so nice, okay? And you know, like hanging man scenarios right here, for example, kind of hanging man, it's they are not showing so good potential for prices, okay? So if bearish scenario is about to come, okay, we are ready to also trade it, okay? So like of course stay with us and subscribe to the channel, because we are gonna be also explaining about everything about Bitcoin and further on about Ethereum, Cardano, XRP price for sure. We are gonna be also watching and also explaining, okay, everything in further videos as well. Thank you so much for being with us tonight. Thank you so much, and I hope that you guys smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, leave your comment, and you can share it with your friends as well. This video is going to be uploaded later on. You can just go back and watch our live session, okay? So thank you so much for being with us tonight, and see you in the next one of Crypto Minder.